The construction project continues to progress at Mexico High School, and the new science wing is steadily approaching completion.
Science wing, right now, they are framing main floor. Classrooms are all framed in. They're getting ready to top floor science rooms to frame that in. They had to do the terrazzo, grind the concrete to polish that, and then right now they're down polishing the main lower floor of the main hall there. I believe the way everything looks, that by the time school is ready to open, that all these facilities will be ready to go.
Students can expect to use the new strength and conditioning room soon.
The strength and conditioning room is going to open up, I believe it's May 1st for the students, as far as the gym classes and any sports activity. And I think it's September 10th is to the public.
Progress continues to be made on the indoor track.
This is indoor track. Probably it's about halfway completed. This should be scheduled to open September 10th for the public.
Renovations are also being made to the former science labs, the gym, and the girls' bathrooms.
For Eye on the Tigers, this is Patrick Twist.